Today, I'm going to show you how to make cranberry gelatin salad. Let's do it.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me.
We're going to begin with 1.5 cups of boiling water. I'm going to pour that into my bowl. Add 6 ounces of raspberry jello gelatin. Mix it together. Now that this is fully dissolved, I'm going to add a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Leave the juice in it. 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. I'm going to use my potato masher. This is a trick from my friend Susan. Susan, hey, you know who you are, sweet friend. We need a cup of chopped pecans. If you don't have a little ninja, you're going to want one of those. I'll leave a link down below where you can find one. We've got it all mixed together. So now I'm going to pour it into my dish. And there we have it. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. It's best to do it overnight, but as soon as it's solidified, you can cut it up and serve it. And if you want, you can add a little dollop of whipped cream. Here is our cranberry jello salad. Let's give it a taste test. That is so amazing. Such an easy recipe. This is perfect for Christmas. You can do it for Thanksgiving. Actually, you could do it any time of year. And you can switch up using different flavored jellos. Instead of pecans, you could use walnuts. Just have fun. Thank you for watching, my friend. God bless.
Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.